Hello friends, welcome to another video from PrepEZ.com. Today we will tell you very simple tricks to remember the 14-digit decimal places or 7-digit decimal places of pi. Before going forward, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So, how many of you know that pi is equal to 3.14159265358,979? It's a long number. We will tell you a very simple trick to remember this long number, and the trick is you just need to remember the sentence, "Now I need a drink." Alcoholic, of course, after the heavy lectures involving quantum mechanics. In this sentence, you just count the number of letters in each word. Let's start counting the number of letters in each word together. In now, there are 3 letters, so we will write 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9. So the value of pi becomes 3.14159265358,979. So isn't it easy? You just need to remember the sentence, "Now I need a drink." Alcoholic, of course, after the heavy lectures involving quantum mechanics. There is another mnemonic to remember the 7 decimal places of pi, and the other mnemonic is, "May I have a large container of coffee?" Again, here you need to count the number of letters in each word, and it will give you pi up to 7 decimal places. Let's start counting. In May, there are 3 letters, so you have to write 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2, 6. So the value of pi is 3.1415926. So for 7 decimal places, you need to remember the sentence, "May I have a large container of coffee?" I hope this mnemonic will be useful to you in solving the multiple choice questions in your exams. Thank you.